Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to explain about applet programming. In general, applet are small Java program that can be run on the internet. We can create an applet program and run over the internet from any computer using Applet viewer or any web-enabled Java-enabled web browser. Using Applet program, we can perform so many arithmetic operations, we can display graphics, we can play sounds, we can accept user inputs, we can create animation, and also we can play interactive games. There are two types of applet programs. One is local applet, another one is remote applet. Local applets are developed and stored in a local system. When we run a local applet, there is no need of internet. We can simply search the local directories in a local system and we can run using applet viewer or web browser. Remote applets are developed in remote system and also stored in a remote computer which is connected to the internet. When the system is connected to the internet, we can download the remote applet into our local system and it can be run on the internet. So this is a pictorial representation of accessing remote applet, both local device and the remote device connected on the internet. In order to locate and load a remote applet, we must know the uniform resource locator of the applet. That is nothing but the web page address of the applet program. This value is specified in the code base attributes of the HTML document. When we are running local applets, this code base attribute can be omitted or we can specify the local directory value. There are some difference between the applets and the standalone programs. Applets do not use the main method for start the initialization of execution. When applets are loaded, automatically it calls some methods to start the execution. Applets cannot be run independently because it embed with the HTML document. Those HTML file or web page should be run on the internet. Applets cannot read anything from the file or write into the file. Applets cannot communicate with other servers on the network. Applets cannot run any program from the local computer, and also applets are restricted from libraries like C or C++. To prepare an applet program, we have to follow some steps. The first step is the creation of applet code which can be stored as .java file. After that, we have to compile the Java file to create or to convert a .class file. Then we have to create an HTML tag. It must include the applet tag, and we have to include the attribute code base attributes to specify the .class file. That file should be saved with .html extension. Both .java and .html file must have the same name. After that, the final step is the testing of the applet code, that is run the HTML file on the web browser. Building applet code. To build an applet code, we have to use two types of class. One is applet class, another one is graphics class. Applet class contained in java.applet package. It includes so many methods like init, start, and paint. When applet is loaded, Java automatically calls a series of applet class methods for starting, running, and stopping the applet code. The paint method is included in the graphics class. Paint method of applet class displays the actual result on the screen. The syntax of paint method is public void paint. It takes an object of the graphics class as an argument. To include the paint method, we have to import java.awt package in our program. This is the general format of an applet code. We have to import two packages, java.awt and java.applet. Java.awt is used to include the graphics class and the paint method. Java.applet package is used to extend the applet class in our class. This is an example. Java.awt and Java.applet package are imported. Then we have to derive a class from applet, extending from applet class. In that class, we have to include the paint method. It takes the object parameter as an object of the graphics class. Then we have to include any method, any graphics method. Here I mentioned g.drawString method, which is used to display a string in a specified location. The string is hello Java and the location is x value is 100 and y value is 100. X value is 10 and y value is 100. So this will be the output. In horizontal x pixel, vertical 100 pixel, the string hello Java will be displayed as an output. Thank you all.